Hey guys, we are in Bray right now. We have a different situation here. There is a Mercedes, and the complaint was it doesn't want engine won't start. No cranks, new battery was in on it, and then even if it is new battery, that doesn't start. So more or less, pagka may enkwentro nyo mga ganyang bagay is one thing to do first is the starter. So you need to knock off the starter, try to tap up the starter now, and then you will see here. Yeah. Okay, knock off the starter from here. I'll send somebody just to start the engine. So the starter, we couldn't access here. The starter from here, I cannot see. So we need to open this up. Open these things. These are 8mm. We need to open the underneath the engine cover, so we can get to the starter motor. Starter motor on the Mercedes is right up there, and we're opening the engine cover right now. This is the starter motor. This earth battery, and then there is no cranking, so the most accurate thing to look at is the starter first. Starter motor is just right up there. Okay, I can see now the starter motor. So need to bang on the starter, just like tapping the starter in. It's very difficult, guys, to access. But I'll see now here. Bring this down a little bit. I have to open more to get put this down, get access more. On the starter side, so here now the starter motor, either, as you can see. Here, okay, and hopefully now that's how to gain access to the starter. So we need to tap the starter motor seriously, and take position. Okay. Okay. Very difficult. Started there. And to top starter. Tara Jo. Stop with metal or whatever crowbar, solid 5 Newton, and start now. So that's how. Yeah, just leave it on. So now engine start already. Okay. So we just put it back in here. This is actually. Huh? Oh. So we need to put it back now. Since the engine started already. So just keep in mind the starter motor is very hard to access, guys. You need to remove the engine cover itself. The engine cover itself in order to gain access to the starter motor. But if you do, it's very hard for something for you. You need to remove the engine cover, the whole lot. But for me, it's only simple. It's just to get access, and that's it. And then tap the starter motor, and then it will start straight away. So the starter motor is very defective, everyone. It to be changed. So remember, guys, the starter motor has the copper brass, and when the copper brass corroded, and it won't have a good contact, and then the engine will start. So since it's working already, so to put it back like the screws in here. So remember, guys, under chassis, car under chassis, you always have the hydraulic jack and the backup what it is, jack stand. Do not do under chassis work when there is no jack stand. That's for your safety, guys. Okay, you should have a jack stand just in case anyway our hydraulic jack here, hydraulic jack is this is 4 tons, so nothing to worry about with this jack. This is 4 tons, but then just to make sure for your safety, you should have jack stand on it. So if you have remember that we have a video like our jack stand, our hydraulic jack here, this is 4 tons, and I encounter that this one won't lift up, no? So we change the hydraulic oil on this one. We change the hydraulic jack oil, and then we bleed out. There is a video link, P.M.W Motorworks, on how to fix the hydraulic jack. So we fixed that already, and it's done, and then that's it. So the engine starts straight away with the starter motor is fuck. So we're just putting back the screws here, putting back the screws. You know, Mercedes, they are very, very hard to gain access on the starter motor. It's very much hidden underneath. Okay, so I will just show you here in there behind the turbo is the starter motor in there. But you cannot tap it here. You need to open up the cover to get access. Okay, that's it. 2011 Mercedes. Okay.
You do, right? I haven't got a clue, Christopher.
What did you say? Huh?
You said you have to take the engine out. Give you 50 euros any good to you?
No, I'm okay, man. I'm okay. No. I'm okay. Get Joan, please, yeah?
What? Give it to Joanne.
No. Get Joan.
Oh,
Because
yeah,
we're
yeah.
going home, yeah? Thank you, Bill. Thank you. Sabi niya, he had no idea on what to do. And the other man said, you have to get the engine out. No, it's not about engine out. It's just the starter. Starter motor. Once the starter motor is having no contact, the copper brass, so that's it. Yung ating sasakyan is merong check engine light, but we know what's that. Yung kanyang AGR, ang istorya kasi nito guys, yung kanyang AGR pipe, bumigay yung kanyang yung kanyang clamp, like some kind of turbo clamp ng AGR pipe. Yung kanyang AGR pipe clamp is bumigay, so kaya naging meron siyang check engine light. Na-diagnose na natin to beforehand, and then it says master pro sensor, but master pro sensor is fine. It's just the AGR pipe. It's, Ado to ka. Nama ado na ta.
Nay, kasadlan na ni sa lipat.
Oh. Alright, go. Ado na ta guys. Uli na ta kay duty pa taon niya. So yanda na yung sakyanan. Mercedes 2011 Mercedes on start. So ayos na. Hindi ka na akong dari. Paniya ko na si Bill, babe. Paniya si Bill atong i-start kung mo start pa ba. Paniya pag-gawsa siya. Ato lang i-double check. You need tracking wheel. See this here? The tire is not good.
Okay.
It's not. See that?
Yeah.
There's
There.
uneven wear on the inside. See that?
Oh, I see.
So you need the tracking,
So I get your man to
and
do
then try
2 new tires
2 new tires
on the front.
on the front, and then front wheel alignment. Yeah.
This way.
Try to start the engine now. If starting. See the same story with the other side. It's really bad, Bill.
Yeah.
You need the new tire and then tracking. Front wheel tracking. Yeah, that's good now. Okay.
I'm going to write that down. I'm going to write it down on a piece of paper.
Yeah, you really need, because this one here, look,
Yeah, and they're only new tires, aren't they?
even if new tires,
Yeah.
if you don't do the front wheel alignment,
You're
is
joking.
the same thing. It's really bad. It kind even wear more.
Oh, dear.
So 2 front tires and then tracking you need.